There are two kinds of programs which are transmitted through the television networks. So the two are online based programs or offline based programs. In a offline based programs, the recording, editing and the transmission takes place at different points of time. But in a online based program, the recording and the transmission happens at the same time. All the live programs are online based programs. Live news, panel discussions, sports matches, all these are examples of online based programs. These online based programs can be the studio based or they can also be field based programs. And when it comes to the offline based programs, as the recording and editing takes place at different points of time, we can assume that all those filmmaking or the soap operas, the news magazine programs, etc., can be offline based programs. So the two types of programs which are transmitted through the television networks are offline based programs or online based programs. Depending on our requirement, we can use a single camera or multiple cameras at a time to record an event. And if you see the television programs, some of the television programs are studio based and some of the television programs are field based programs. And here in a studio based program production, we can use a single camera or we also can use multiple cameras at a time to record an event. And if it is a field based program also, if it is a ENG electronic news gathering, we can use only a single camera to capture the event. But if you are going to a field and if you want to shoot like a sports match, generally you can use multiple cameras at a time to record the event. And with the help of the DSNG van or OB van, the outdoor broadcast van, you may transmit the program in live. Using a single camera to produce a film or a video production or a program is called single camera production. It involves a lot of preparation and planning before we go for shooting and before we edit the film. It also requires a lot of post-production work before it is going to broadcast or transmit for the audience. As I said, in a single camera production, we first record the shots, assemble them in a desired order during the editing stage of a film production or a television production. But in case of where we use multiple cameras at a time and these multiple cameras are placed at different angles and we record the event or a film, and later at the same time the program also can be edited and transmitted in live. So when we are using multiple cameras at a time for the shooting of an event, the output is ready for telecast or broadcast. The shots which are recorded and edited as the action happens or as the event is taking place at a place. Here you can see a wall of monitors where actually the footage which is coming from the studio floor to this PCR or the production control room. The studio floor is generally adjacent to the production control room.
తిరుమలలో దారుల కొరత ఏర్పడింది. స్వామివారి దర్శనానికి అత్యంత భక్తులతో బంగారు $2 కౌంటర్ల నో స్టాక్ బోర్డు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. దీంతో భక్తులు నిరాశతో వెనుదిరుగుతున్నారు. భక్తులకు అందుబాటులోకి.
So here you can observe the text which is scrolling up, that is coming from a teleprompter. Looking at the teleprompter, the anchor reads the news. There is also a switcher that is managed by a vision mixer operator. On the studio floor, generally we use green mat and proper lighting so that the keying can be done. Green mat enables us to change the background of the subject. In the window of the monitors, you can see the subject is in green mat where the shooting is happening, and you can also see the background of the subject that is changed in another window. Here in this video you can see that the production control room is visible from the studio floor. Studio floor you can also see the cameras, different cameras, and also the subject or the anchor. There are different kinds of lights are placed. Generally these are the cool lights. They are placed on the top of the subject so that the shadows will not appear on the screen when we do the keying. Online program production is a team effort where the output editors, the technical staff, all of them are involved in producing and transmitting the program in live.